Hello everyone, welcome in the program. Hello everyone, welcome in the video lecture 6.2. In this video, we are going to learn and understand live demonstration of list programming. जी हाँ, I have compiled your 6 program for you and we are going to make it live and how to use all the elements, how to use all the tools of programming, whatever we have learned till now. Okay. So that we can understand properly how to write a complex program using list, using for loop, using control statement, if conditions. Okay, so let's understand. The very first program we are going to make, first of all, creating a dynamic list. In this program we are going to create a list, we are going to create an empty list, and then we will take value from the user, and then we are going to store in a list, and then we are going to print it. So Python ideally I have opened. So first of all we have to create empty list. Take a variable, for example my list equal to list function, or we can say list constructor. So this is for creating empty list. Once empty list is created, then we need to ask from the user multiple time, right? So how to ask from the user multiple time? Then we need to create a loop in which we are asking from the user multiple time. So take a variable choice equal to true, at choice equal to simply make yes, while choice equal to yes. Till the value of choice is yes, loop will be going on. Now take the value from the user, value equal to input. We are not converting this input in the form of numeric or other format, because just we are taking value from the user and we are going to store in the list. That is why. So give a message to the user, enter a value. The value will be entered by the user, and now very important statement what we have to write after entering the value. Whatever value will be entered by the user, that value will be transferred to the variable val. And now in the next line we have to write my list, which was empty list dot append function. We are going to use append function, right? Append function is used to add value at the end of list. So put here value. Okay. Now ask from the user again, choice equal to input, want to enter more values, yes or no. The user will enter either yes or no, right? So if choice dot here it is yes in title case, right? Then whatever user is going to enter, maybe he is typing into small letter, maybe he is typing into capital letter, then we have to use title function. Choice dot title equal to yes. No need to take this because already we are working with the loop, and if statement is not required, simply this choice, just write on choice equal to choice dot title, right? And now print it. What to print? My list. Let us run, press F5, save the program. It is already saved in my system, that is why it is running. So first value, do you want to enter more values? I am typing yes. Now it is accepting. Yes is accepted. I have typed into small letter, but automatically that choice has been converted into a title case because of the function. So next value, yes. Next value, yes. Next value, I am writing some name, yes. Okay, so just I typed y, so that was not matched, so loop stopped. So now output is coming 22, 55, 99 and Amit, right? In the same program, if you want to display total number of elements also, so how to display? Just put comma total elements and just write down len function and pass here my list. Once again, let us execute the program. Value Amit, yes. Sumit, yes. Some value, yes. Other value, now no. So now we can see output Amit, Sumit, 44, 55. All the values which we have entered is now displayed here, and total elements are here 4. Now one thing more, in the same program, if you want to add all the elements entered by the user, right, then take one variable sum sum1 equal to 0, because we are going to add all the values in a variable. Then we have to declare a variable with the numeric value which is 0. Now here we have to convert the entered value by the user in numeric format, right? So put int function, whatever value will be entered by the user will be converted into number. So enter a numeric value, so that user can enter only numeric value, otherwise it will show error because type conversion will not take place. So if you want to add after appending, right, once appending process is done, complete list is created. So now what we have to do after printing this, do one thing, use for loop for v in my list, right, v in my list. Now sum1 equal to sum1 plus v, and just that's it, and print sum of all the elements in the list, sum1. Press F5, save program, and let's again execute one by one. So first of all, I am entering simple values. I am giving 1, yes, 2, yes, 3, yes, 4, now no. So now total elements we have 1 2 3 4, and the sum of 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 9 and 1 10. Simple, it's very simple. Accessing each element of the list, adding with them, multiplying them, means whatever you want to do with the list you can do. Programs are very simple. I hope you understood this program. I am putting into comment, and in the same program we are going to do next one, right? Now next program which we have to do, sum of even numbers. So write a Python program to find the sum of all the even numbers in the given list. Here list is already given. If a list is entered by the user, that is also okay, but if a list is already given, then how to find the sum of all the even numbers? Okay, so let's do it. So for example, we have a list here. Suppose we don't want to create list with long number, then we can use list comprehension. So my list equal to, suppose n for n in range 1 to 100. That's it. Now this statement will create a list of numbers from 1 to 100. Now in this, let us print first of all, check list is created or not, my list. Press F5, then automatically list of numbers created. So this is very easy way to create a list with numbers. Otherwise you have to write down 100 times, 10 times, 20 times numbers yourself. Now we have to find the sum of all the even numbers. Very simple. Take a loop for val in my list, and take a variable for adding all the numbers. So sum1 equal to 0 you have to define, and then if val mod 2 equal to 0. This is a logic by which we check whether the number is even number or not. If we are dividing number by 2 and remainder is coming 0, it means that is even number, right? So sum 1 equal to sum1 plus val. Now just display here with the message sum of even numbers between 1 to 100, comma, print sum1. Press F5, save it, and now run it. So now we can see sum of even numbers between 1 to 100, 2450. And if you are not able to calculate, then we can reduce the range, then we can calculate easily 1 to 10 only. So sum of even number between 1 to 100, not 100, 1 to 10. Now we can assume 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, right? And 20 plus 10 will be 30, but 30 is not counted because of this range. Now it will be counting 10 also. It is now 30. Got it? Very simple. Next program we are going to do remove duplicates. Right, we have to remove duplicates value from the list. So for example, we have a list in which some duplicate values are there, right? So let's do, for example, we are creating a list in which some duplicate values are there, right? One is again there, 4 5 6 7 6. Okay, these are the values which are in the list, and we have to remove from this list duplicate value. So very simple, do one thing, take a blank list, list 2 equal to, make empty list, right? This is empty list. Now we have to check. So now we have to iterate first of all for val in my list. Now we have to check if val not in list 2, if the value which is coming from my list is not in list 2. Understood? If the value means single value which is coming from my list is not found in list 2, which is empty, then only do what? List 2 dot append. Append what? Append the value. That's it. This is the only program we have to do. Now let us print. First of all, print my list and then print list 2 without duplicate value. Press F5, save it. Now we can have on our output here. Now we can see the output 1 23 4. Now 4 is again here, 5 is also here, 6 is also repeated, but now in the second list, which is the fresh list, having unique values. Any value is not repeated. So this is very good for concept of making a program in which you can remove all the duplicates value very easily, right? Keep in mind, very simple and easy concept of making program, right? Now next we are going to do, next we have list reversal. How to reverse this string list? Very simple without reverse method. We don't need to use reverse function, but even in single line you can reverse this list. Suppose we have again list 1 equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, you want to reverse this string, then in single line you can reverse it. Simply print list 1, use slash operator, colon -1, right? Press F5 and see the magic. Automatically your list has been reversed, right? And let us make one more demo in the same program. Suppose we have a list in which we have a text, means name, Amit, Somit, Ravi, Anil, Now if you are reversing this string, then it is okay, all the elements has been reversed. Amit is coming last and Anil is coming beginning. Now what we want to reverse the string as well. We want to reverse not complete list, we want to reverse the elements individually. Means if it is Amit, it should be TIMA. If it is Sumit, it should be TIMUS, like that. So what to do? Very simple. We have to iterate. We have to traverse through the list for val in list 1. Now val will get single element from the list. Got it? So now val is the kind of either string, you can say. So what to do? Print val :-1. Right. Now let us see. Okay, it's coming. So we can do in this way. First of all, display exact value val, comma, give the dash and comma, and now see the magic. Amit is Tima, Sumit is Timas, Ravi is Aviar, Ivar, Anil is Lina. Great. So very simple list is really very easy to use and very helping in different types of programming concept, right? Means any type of concept you have in mind, use list and its functions. It will be very easy to crack down the program. Next we have program number 5, second largest number. We have to find out the second largest number from the list, and then we have list rotation. So let's do program number 5, second largest number. It means we have to create a list in which we have some numbers, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So second largest number is 9. Okay, so how to find out? So first of all, we need to find out the first largest number, and then we can find out second largest number. So how to find first largest number first? So do one thing, take largest LG1 equal to 0, LG2 equal to 0. For val in list 1, now if val is more than or LG1 is less than val, then LG1 equal to val. First of all, do this thing. Okay, once this is completed, and let me check the largest number is coming or not. So LG1 print. Now 10 is coming here. If I am putting here only 40 anywhere in between, so now 40 is coming. Once again you can test. If I am putting here 99 or 88, 89, whatever, so check it. 89 means program is working fine. Now let us do another concept. Again run one more loop for val in list 1. Okay, if LG1, because now LG1 is containing the largest number, if LG1 is LG1 is 1 minute, if LG2 is less than val and LG2 is less than LG1, right? If see what is the concept here. First of all, let us understand. We have in LG1 largest number, which is 89. So now the concept is here कि if LG2 means 0 is less than val, obviously condition is true. First time the value of variable is 1, and LG2 then the same variable 0 is less than LG1, which is having the highest value 89. If both the conditions are true, then only transfer. LG2 equal to val. Now second largest number we can print here. See, LG2 I am printing here. Okay, 89 is coming directly here. LG2 is less than val, then LG2 equal to val. Right, now correct. Once again, for val in list 1, if value is less than LG, means largest number, and if LG2, which is 0, is less than val, which is 1, then we transfer LG2, then transfer the value of list to LG2 and print the second largest number. Second largest number, okay, LG2. Okay, so once again we are trying to understand here. Let us understand. The second largest number is 40. So if I am making here 50 also, or if I am making it 600 and I am making 9 to 400, then second largest is 400. So let us run it. Correct, second largest is 400. So how it is done? Once again, we have done till here using for loop for the first largest number, right? Now this is for second largest number. So in the second loop, what we are doing, first of all we are checking if the value of list is less than largest number, which is 600, automatically found, and if the same large value is less than val. This is the same concept of previous one. Okay, and one more thing, just one more statement we have added, if the same concept along with the largest value, if the value is less than largest, then it is second largest. Okay, so LG2 is less than val, then LG2 will get the variable value. Now second largest is found here. Understood? Great. Now let us do program number 6, last one. The next program which we have here, list rotation. Write a program to rotate a list by a specified number of position. For example, rotate by 2 position. Now this is also a little tricky. If position is 2, then we have to rotate the list. Try to understand how we are rotating the list. If we have list 1 here, original list, equal to values are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and if you are going to rotate from first position, okay, then the list will be like this. So it will be 6, then 1 2 3 4 5, right? And if we are going to rotate from 2 position, previous list or this list, if you are considering this list, then it will be 6 5, then it will be 6. Okay, it means 5 6 and then 1 2 3 4, like this. This is the question. So if you are rotating by second position, then 30 40 50 is there, then 10 20 is coming. Okay, numbers are 10 20 30 40 50, then 30 40 50, then 10 20 are coming. In this way it is rotating from back side. It is also okay. So if you want to rotate, then 5 was by 1 position, then it should be 2 3 4 5 6, then 1. And if you want to rotate from 2 position, then it should be just a minute, 30 40 50, then 10 20, then 10 20, right? Then it should be 3 4 5, then 2 3, sorry, it should be 3 4 5, then 1, then 2, like this. So see, what is common here? Common is that whenever we are taking this value and we are going to rotate by 1, then what happened? only this one is removed from the first place and placed at the last, only one value. Okay, and if it is rotating 2 point, then what is done, then 1 and 2, these two values are removed from the first element and then it is appended at the last. So if you are removing this value, then it came to the 6 is also here. If you are removing this value, then 1 will be coming here, then you will remove 2, then 2 will come here, like this. Okay, so very simple. So we have to use two function, insert, and we have to use we have to use insert function, we have to use remove function, okay, and we have to use append function. So let us do one by one. So suppose this is our list. I am taking variable key, rotation equal to 1. First of all, 1. So if you want to rotate one by one element, then we have rotation, and now do what? We got list. Take a third list. Third list is we got the list to 1 minute. We have to take one more list. List 3 equal to blank list. Okay, so now we are getting list 2 from rotation, means this part will be coming to list 2. Okay, and now we left with 1. So list 3 equal to again till rotation plus 1, only one value will come here, rotation plus 1, yeah. And then third list we can take next list number 4 equal to again empty list, and make here list 4 equal to you got list 2 dot extend list 3. Let us print list 4. Sorry, here should be, we have to mention the list. It is coming none. What we are printing here, list 2 extend, list 4 is not required here. So we have to print here list 2 only. 2 3 4 5 6 1 2. Is there anything coming 1 2? What is coming 1 2? Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Now it is coming properly, right? And if you want to rotate by 2 elements, then see the 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, correct? If you want to rotate by 3, press F5, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Great, it is rotating complete string. So without using any loop, we are able to rotate complete element. So in this program, first of all we are taking a list in which some values are there, then we are taking a key, and that key is deciding how many rotations we want. We want to rotate on the basis of one element or 2 or 3, right? So we are taking here 3, and 2 lists we have created, empty list number 2, list number 3, which is empty list. What is happening in list number 2? We are getting the value from rotation. Rotation means if it is 3, then from third element till all element we are getting to list 2. So these values are going to be stored in list 2, and then these values in the same sequence from beginning till rotation is going to be stored in this list number 3, and then we are going to extend list number 2 with 3. So whatever value is there, we are going to extend with list 3. Simple, without loop. Okay, so this is a very simple program, an interesting program. So by using the concept and logic, we can create any program. We don't need to learn anything, but we have to use logic. Logic is everything in programming. Logic is everything in the program. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, if you want to learn any program, if you have any program which you are not able to solve, you can send me by comment. I'll be sending you the example by solving it. Thank you so much.